Hi there, this is Yijin Hardware. Are you seeking a reliable, fast turnaround supplier for your CNC machining and sheet metal fabrication needs? At Yijin Hardware, we specialize in delivering high-quality, custom manufactured parts tailored to your specifications. Our state-of-the-art facility, spanning over 25,000 square meters, is equipped with more than 50 advanced CNC machines, including 3, 4, and 5-axis machining centers. We offer a comprehensive range of CNC services, CNC turning and milling, precision machining for both prototypes and mass production, auxiliary machining, services such as drilling, tapping, EDM, and wire cutting. We work with a wide variety of materials, including over 30 types of engineering-grade plastics and numerous metals like aluminum, stainless steel, titanium, and brass. Our CNC machining capabilities ensure high surface finishes, with post-processing options like sandblasting, polishing, and anodizing to meet your exact requirements. Sheet metal fabrication services. In addition to CNC machining, we offer precise and reliable sheet metal fabrication services, laser cutting, high-precision cutting for complex designs, plasma cutting, efficient cutting for thicker materials, metal bending, accurate shaping to achieve desired angles and curves, Our fabrication services cater to both prototyping and full-scale production, ensuring consistent quality and rapid turnaround times. Site Turn Search 1 Quality Assurance. At Yijin Hardware, we adhere to strict quality control standards, including ISO 9001-2015 and ISO 14001-2015 certifications, ensuring that every part meets your specifications and industry standards. Site Turn Search 2.1. Our advanced testing equipment and standardized production procedures guarantee precision and consistency from part to part. Why choose Yijin Hardware? From design assistance to final production, we offer end-to-end solutions for all your manufacturing needs. Ready to bring your project to life with precision and quality? Contact Yijin Hardware today to discuss your requirements and receive a competitive quote. Let us be your trusted partner in CNC machining and sheet metal fabrication.